I had to re-upload the video because one of my examples apparently wasn't safe for YouTube. Sorry for that. We are back. For a few months now, we've been talking about how vibe coders unleash wave after wave of AI slop on the world. Today, I'm gonna show you the other side. Skilled, talented designers and developers using AI to build things that are extraordinary. Because these are just tools, and in the hands of somebody who didn't skip learning, they can unleash awesome power. 5 creators, 5 examples. Also, it's my birthday today, so check the description for very special promo codes for most of my stuff just today. In other news, I brought another curious being into this world. Say hi to little Felix for me. Hey. Now let's dive into some cool examples of AI-driven work from creative people. Feel free to get inspired. Check out this awesome ride visualization, probably for cycling, from Chris. It's 3D, it's interactive, and actually you can see the height of which you're cycling. So if you're cycling uphill, you can see the whole scrubbed timeline of where you're going and how far you've gone. And the light effects, yeah, these are very, very cool. So you can take a problem that you're having yourself, like cycling visualizations being pretty boring, and then push it to the next level. Do something that you wouldn't really think was possible before. And it's not just a gimmick. This is actually functional, meaning it is readable enough for you to understand what's going on as the timeline progresses through the different steps. That's the whole idea of making beautiful things that also make sense. Daniel here made a very small, portable library that allows you to generate sounds that can be used on the web. So it's not playing MP3s, it's actually generating sounds in real time. You can configure it to your liking, and it has a lot of extra options and elements, plus it's very easy to integrate. And obviously, it uses those sounds on its own website as well. So this is an actual innovation. It's not just playing some sounds from an MP3, it's generative. And the sound library? Really cool. It also proves that sounds on the web don't have to be annoying. I'm also building an app based on my own breathing protocols. It's 5 different breathing exercises that had led me to having relaxed HRV of over 200. That is kind of superhuman. And this app features particle systems that help you breathe in rhythm and in tune with the exercise. So I am using AI to code it, but obviously the main value of the product is not coming from AI. It's coming from 5 years of me doing the same breathing exercises every single day without skipping a single day. Most of the quality here comes from fundamental skills that are very strong, curiosity and innovation-driven approach. Not copying others. I talk exactly how we do it in the Square Block Blueprint, link in the description, and there is an extremely big free version to check out as well. This is an awesome tool coming from a very good branding designer that allows him to define all the elements by hand, but then the tweaking and merging of them together can happen in a tool that he made himself. So that allows him to just do a lot more, including changing the shapes themselves, but also changing how the eye looks and which direction it's even looking. So that creates a whole new level of expression and possibilities in branding. And it also proves that using AI the right way, if you have the right skills and the right aesthetic sense, is actually a great way to achieve more and achieve better stuff. But for that, you clearly need to know what you're doing. You need to be aware of all the implications, and then you can build tools or patterns or workflows like this to still achieve great results at the end. Dmitry is another guy that I followed instantly years ago and kept following because of how he merges great visuals, great aesthetic sense for photography and music. So obviously when he's making a music app that's also generative and expressive in this new era of AI tools, I couldn't pass it up. So look how awesome it looks and how nice it sounds. And also notice how AI is allowing people now to express themselves in slightly different ways, because this app is not exactly the same type of music app we've seen before. And here is a bonus round. If you're a designer or a creative person, you can just explore how different shapes, colors, or patterns can merge and blend together. So basically using AI tools as your creative playground that you can later use for different things in your own apps or products. This is the creativity and exploration I'm looking for. You can code faster now, sure, but you're not gonna get a skill by downloading a skill MD. So use AI to learn skills, to master something, to have a better understanding of what problem you're trying to solve, and then find an innovative and creative idea, not a copy. And AI is really good at copying. And then you can guide and steer those models to make something extraordinary. And that way, we're all gonna have a beautiful day.